Hello, everyone. Hope you're doing well today. Welcome to our channel, where we share our passion for restoring classic cars to their former glory. Today, we're excited to share with you the restoration of an abandoned Mercedes W126. This beautiful car has an interesting story. The owner purchased it from his friend, who had parked it for almost 20 years. Can you believe it? 20 years of sitting idle, exposed to the elements. He then brought this old gem to us for a complete paint restoration. We were thrilled to take on the challenge. Upon inspecting the car, we found the paint was completely damaged and there was rust in several areas. The most challenging task for us was removing the rust and straightening the dented areas without dismantling the parts. We informed the owner that, since it's an old vehicle, there's a risk of breaking some parts during dismantling. However, he instructed us to do the job without dismantling, although we never recommend this approach because paint may not reach some areas, potentially leading to future issues. We took extra precautions to ensure the process went smoothly. Our team worked tirelessly to remove the rust, using specialized tools and techniques. It was a labor-intensive process, but the end result was worth it. So, we started this project and completed the denting procedure. Our skilled technicians used their expertise to shape the metal back to its original form. After that, our painter began working on the vehicle's surface, using Nexa brand body filler, the best available product in Pakistan. We never recommend cheap body fillers because customers invest significant money in paint jobs, expecting excellent results. Next, we applied epoxy primers, which have excellent bonding capability with bare metal and prevent rust. This step is crucial in ensuring the paint job lasts for years to come. We take pride in our attention to detail, ensuring every step is done to perfection. After preparing the surface, we thoroughly inspected the vehicle for any faults or errors in the body straightening process to avoid potential issues after painting. Then, we took the vehicle to the paint booth and applied masking tape to protect areas that wouldn't be painted. This is a critical step, requiring precision and patience. As you see in the video, we are now using sandpapers to ensure there are no faults in the body of the vehicle. After completing the sanding and masking, we applied Degreaser to the whole body. This is crucial because the vehicle was parked outside and traveled from our garage to this paint booth, increasing the risk of contamination. Many people may have touched the vehicle with oily fingers, which can ruin the paint if not removed. Degreaser ensures a clean surface, eliminating any potential risks. We can't stress enough how important this step is. If we don't remove contaminants, it will lead to regrets and costly rework. We always ensure zero errors in the body before applying paint. Attention to detail is key to a flawless finish. This vehicle required a two-part painting process since it's a two-tone car. The bumpers and body kits are brownish gray, while the main body is silverish golden. Although the owner requested a different paint shade, we advised him to keep the original color for resale purposes. We've seen many classic cars lose value due to non-original paint jobs. Painting a classic car like this Mercedes W126 requires skill and experience. We encountered some challenges along the way, but our team's expertise shone through. We've worked on many classic cars and know what it takes to get the job done right. Now let's talk about paint quality. Paint quality is essential for the final results. We always recommend our customers use high-quality materials in restoration projects. For this Mercedes, we used Auto Color brand paint, Auto Color brand hardener, and Auto Color brand clear. We chose to use medium thinner and medium hardener for several reasons. When it comes to hardeners, there are two types, fast and slow. Fast hardeners are only used for paint touch-ups, not in restoration projects. That's because they dry the paint quickly, but affect the shine of the end results. They're easy to apply because they don't run down, but they compromise on quality. On the other hand, slow hardeners are more challenging to apply, but their benefits are worth the extra effort. Slow hardeners, paired with medium thinner, provide a permanent, exceptional shine that doesn't fade out or blur. Using high-quality paint and materials may seem expensive up front, but it saves time and money in the long run. Cheap materials can lead to costly rework, and who wants that? Not our customers, that's for sure. In our experience, Auto Color brand paint has consistently delivered exceptional results. Their products are reliable, and their technical support is top-notch. We've tried other brands, but Auto Color remains our go-to choice. After painting, we conducted a thorough quality control check to ensure everything met our high standards. Our team inspected every inch of the vehicle, making sure the paint job was flawless. We always paste the paint formula stickers inside the vehicle if we customize the paint. This ensures that even if the vehicle is sold, the new owner won't be stressed about matching paint touch-ups. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the final results of the vehicle after complete paint restoration. As you can see, the transformation is truly breathtaking. The shine of this Mercedes speaks for itself. Every line, every curve, and every corner is in perfect shape. The owner was absolutely thrilled, and we were delighted to see his reaction. He was shockingly surprised by the end results and graciously appreciated our entire team's efforts in achieving these flawless results. We're proud to say that our team's dedication and expertise have brought this classic beauty back to life. One thing we wanted to achieve with this restoration was maintaining the car's original charm. Unfortunately, we couldn't find monoblock rims at the time, so we installed these stunning alternatives instead. They look incredible, don't they? The classic design and finish complement the Mercedes W126 timeless elegance. We chose these rims carefully to enhance the car's overall appearance while staying true to its heritage. Our team ensured they were installed perfectly with precise alignment and balance. The attention to detail is evident in every aspect of this restoration. This old school gem has indeed got a new life, and we can't wait to see it back on the road. We hope you enjoyed this video and witnessed the magic of classic car restoration. If you have any questions or queries, please don't hesitate to let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you appreciate our work and share our passion for restoring classic cars to their former glory. We'll continue to share our projects, tips, and experiences with you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more exciting restoration stories.